Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find system and updates. Now in this third position, let's say third section, we've got date and time on the second position, so let's tap, and here we can customize the date and time. So first of all, we can decide if we want to use a 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So right now we are using 12-hour format, so let's maybe turn on this option. And as you can see here, we can decide if we want to set the date, time and time zone automatically. It will be probably network based, but we can also set it manually if we want to. So simply turn off this option, and as you can see, the date and time options are active right now. They simply appeared here. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, we will be able to change the date just by swiping. So let's tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. We can simply change it just like that, and as you can see, it will also be visible on the status bar. We can change the time zone, simply tap on it, and here you will be able to check the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So simply tap on the one you would like to set. Be aware, of course, that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Remember, we set probably like 9 o'clock, I believe, or 10 o'clock. Here you've got also the options connected to the dual clock, where you can set the home city. Of course, you can keep it turned on, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So basically this is it. This is how to customize date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings, which means that your device will use automatic date and time. Just tap on the switcher right here and everything will simply go back to its normal state. What's more, here you can turn off the 24-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.